Previously, the Philippines received confirmation that Sikorsky's Polish subsidiary, PZL-Mielec, had completed the first 3 units of 32 S70i-Blackhawk combat utility helicopters that DND ordered in early 2022 and would soon arrive in the Philippines. How is things progressing now? Are 3 of the 2 additional Blackhawk S70i units already completed, or if, like other deliveries, there are delays or other factors? Military helicopters, despite their current multiple functions and missions, designed and built to do one thing well, and that is to be able to land and take off in as small a space as possible, unlike their fixed-wing cousins, which require long, expensive and time-consuming concrete runways to be built before any operations can be carried out. Delivery of the first 5 helicopters in 2023 is still not confirmed, and it is not known whether the units can be delivered this year or whether there will be further delays. PZL-Mielec had previously committed to delivering the first 5 helicopters units in 2023, while the remainder will be delivered in 3 batches of 10 units in 2024, 10 units in 2025, and 7 units in 2026. The then DND chairman issued a Mielec PZL award notification for 32 Blackhawk helicopters on December 28, 2021. After delivery was completed, the PAF will have around 47 S70i units, giving more leeway to retire some of its helicopters that have served too long, according to the Huey information we received previously. The current problem is flying these helicopters to the Philippines, with large commercial cargo planes in particular are very rare at the moment due to the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Ukraine's Antonov Airlines previously used to deliver the first 16 S70i Blackhawk helicopters from Poland to the Philippines, using 124 Russells, but they are now busy servicing Ukrainian arms and ammunition, importing and providing support to the embattled country. Other airlines with similar capabilities, Russia's Volga Nepal, may not be able to provide service, as Russian Airlines is banned in the EU. Polish airspace is part of the EU. If the delivery problem is on the cargo plane, is there any other solution so that the S70i Blackhawk helicopter can get to the Philippines? Can the plane be sent by water through freighters? And we hope the Philippine Air Force has a helicopter bigger than the Black Hole, and the acquisition project heavy lift helicopters will provide services with larger helicopters and bring new capabilities, including transporting larger or heavier payloads. Aircraft. Is there any other solution to send S70i Blackhawk helicopters to the Philippines? Can the planes be sent by water through shipping goods via commercial cargo ships? Is nothing new in the Philippines at the moment. The Philippines has received the second batch of Sabra light tanks and Guani APCs from Brazil, still in process. It seems will also be shipped via commercial cargo ship. Aircraft manufacturer Sikorsky has signed an agreement with Philippine company Asian Aerospace Corp. For the latter, the only original equipment manufacturer that is an OEM authorized reseller of Blackhawk helicopter parts and repair services in the nation. Sikorsky has partnered with Asian Aerospace to bid on the public tender by leveraging their local expertise to navigate the procurement process in the Philippines quickly and efficiently. Achieving their goals is a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability in the face of logistical obstacles, while the collaboration between Sikorsky, the manufacturer of the S70i Blackhawk, and Asian Aerospace Corp., a local company, was crucial. This partnership is not just about sending helicopters but also building a sustainable support system. Sikorsky and Asian Aerospace Corp. work together to ensure that the Philippine Air Force has access to the best spare parts and repair services. This partnership aims to provide unmatched support to the growing Philippine Air Force fleet. What makes this development even more interesting is its scale. Philippine Air Force operations are poised to become the largest S70i Blackhawk model operation in the world, with 47 helicopters expected to become part of their fleet in the next 3 years. This is an important milestone that shows the country's commitment to strengthening its defense capabilities.